Okay, so what is a whiteboard animation? According to Wikipedia, the term whiteboard animation comes from the process of someone drawing on a whiteboard and recording it. It is a process where a creative story and storyboard with pictures drawn on a whiteboard. It is massively used in TV and internet advertising to communicate messages in a unique way. Okay, so now you might be thinking there are a million ways to make a video. What makes whiteboard animation stick out in a sea of media madness? That's exactly what we are going to find out next.